money. That is enough.
Where?
Here, that is so enough.
So, where will we go?
We will go to buy BMW cars.
Oh, really? And how about Mercedes?
Mercedes too.
Oh, really? How much money do you have?
Oh, that's for Johnny.
5,000.
Johnny.
5,000! Wow, that's so much.
Look, you also
Let's come
have a
here.
fortune.
Yeah, you know, I love the Mercedes so much, and also the Mercedes and BMW.
You don't like Ford anymore?
Ford is a compact car. It's normal brand. I love Mercedes and BMW and Porsche.
Okay, I will buy that motorbike. I'll buy that car for you.
Thank you. I'm so appreciated. But you told me that when you are getting old enough, you earn money. Do you have money?
Yeah.
How much is that?
$5.
$5,000.
Yeah.
Okay.